Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will give a simple tutorial how to make a robot voice in Audacity. Audacity software is a free software and you can download it in internet. So let's open the software. So this is the first page of the Audacity, and then for the beginning we need a voice, so we can record by pressing button, or we can import some file. Can import audio file here like this, but I want to record my voice.
Hi, welcome to my channel.
Okay, that's my voice.
Hi, welcome to my channel.
So first, we have a little bit noise here and here, so I wanna remove it. So we should go to effect, and then noise reduction. We click get noise profile, click, and then we should select file, Control A, and then go to effect again, and noise reduction again, and press OK. So listen it.
Hi, welcome to my channel.
Because it's so normal for me, so I want to go to effect and change in amplify. So this 6.09, so I want to get the half of the number.
Hi, welcome to my channel.
Okay, and we don't need this part, so I want to remove it. It's there, and load it again. So I wanna add the track here with the second track, that is the next track, and then I wanna copy the first track here to the second track, Ctrl V, and then I wanna modify in effect and change the echo. So just press OK and listen it.
Hi, welcome to my channel.
And next, go back again and change pitch. I wanna change to maybe -5 or -10, but I wanna change to -10 here.
Hi, welcome to my channel.
It should be like a robot voice, right? And then I wanna add a track again, add new with the new stereo track. So we go back in the first track again and Ctrl A to copy, and press the third track and Ctrl V. In the third track, I wanna change the tempo, so we should go to effect and change tempo. I wanna give maybe -2 or -3. -3. Press OK and listen it.
Hi, welcome to my channel.
I wanna go back to first track because I think it's too normal. I wanna change the echo. And we should put the effect. Press echo and press OK. So listen it.
Hi, welcome to my channel.
I think it's enough for me. And then for final, I want to export to the file, so we can go to export and export as MP3. You can change to WAV or OGG, but I want to change to MP3 and give a name robot voice. And I want to save. Press OK. So if you see like this, just ignore it. Just press OK. So after press OK, you can move to the libraries and search for the Audacity folder. So this is the file of the voice. So let's open it.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Hi, welcome to my channel.
And I think it should be the best voice of robot here. Okay guys, maybe that's just for the tutorial how to make a robot voice in Audacity for this time. And if you think this video is helpful, then you can give likes and share to your friends, and don't forget to click the subscribe button to get other interesting videos. See you next time. Bye.